Yo ho ho, what is going on, guys? Today in this video we got a heat wave, especially in Ohio right now. It's 95. You can see my forehead sweat. It is 95. It's we're recharging AC today. Got the Arctic freeze. Looked really cold, you know. Plenty of options out there. You get them for like 40, 50 bucks, 60 bucks if you want to get ripped off or buy some expensive one. Who knows? But got the Arctic freeze. Let's get on into it. First things first, you want to make sure you bought the correct product. Got R134A, 95 to 99-ish%. Like every single car uses this. Some don't. Don't put the wrong thing in. You'll be able to find this on the internet. This car has a sticker right there that has it. The majority of cars are going to have a sticker here. My other car has a sticker on like the frame in there. But 134A is what you're looking for. Once you figured that out, you have the engine bay open already, obviously, if you found the sticker in there. You purchased your product. Next thing you want to look for is the low port on the AC. You see it's marked with an L, some aren't, but the thing is, this will only fit on the low port. This one even has an H. I rarely see them have an H on the high port, but this will only fit on the low port, so you can't mess that up unless you go jamming it on there like crazy or something. But let's get into it. I'm going to measure it with thermometer on the vent system to show you the difference. Once you're ready to get started, get your car turned on. I got the vent hooked up to this thermometer. It's blowing 90.3 degrees air. That is hot. Oh my gosh. Keep the car running throughout this dirt bike. But come on over here. Be careful with a lot of moving parts. Obviously, you don't want to put your hand into the serpentine belt or destroy your hand on the fan. Be smart, be cautious. I'm just gonna leave the can right on in here. You want to give it a good shake before you get on in there. Yeah, you felt that, I know. But see, the serpentine belt is running in there. Just don't get your hand caught in there, anything crazy. Take out the low service port. Wow, this engine's very loud. I'm surprised if you can hear me over this. My God. Put it onto the low service port. We are connected. As you can see, it's going to go to the low setting if your AC isn't working at all. You want to be in the green setting. You just want to keep pulling the trigger like until you get up into the green setting. And you can put a thermometer inside of your car to get the temperature you want, per se. But if you hook this up and it says 0 PSI, just take the bottle, return it, get your receipt. You know, your what is that? The AC compressor, cook. You're not going to have AC unless you want to like take a couple shots at your wallet. That's your choice. Who knows? But let's get on into it. A couple pumps, a little bit. There we go. Ooh, got a little bit of glare. We're just gonna keep on pumping this in short bursts. Just a couple short bursts, you know. There we go. Keep going. You feel the can get rather cold. As you can see, we're climbing slowly but surely. You know what to go do. You see the gauge going up? Oh my gosh, that glare is awful. You see the gauge going up? I'm just going to keep giving this a few pumps, maybe shake the can a little bit, but I'm going to come back to you with the AC getting cooler within the car. Alrighty, and once you've done that multiple times, you'll see, you'll come over to the front end of your car. Me personally, I like it to be right around 40 PSI, right about halfway up the fill marker. Let me get a little extra for good luck. There we go. And I'm just going to pop this on up. There it is. Screw this back on for a second. Low port on. Be careful. Serpentine belts right there. It's scary. Especially a cord runs up here. Even scarier. You'll notice, wow, I still got some left in there. Pretty good. When we go back to the car, I had the thermometer in there to get a temperature reading. It was reading 90 before this. You really want it to be, ooh, that feels nice. You really want it to be right around 40, 50, 60 on the high. We're at 59.7 and we're dropping. So I don't want to wait all day for you guys, you know. I don't want you guys to sit here and look at the thermometer for half an hour, but that's going to drop down to about 55. Regardless, you get it from 90 to 50 some degrees. Wow, that's magic. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you got any questions, comment section below. You already know what's going on. Appreciate you.